Hey guys, what's up? My name is Erica Andrea. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I achieved this super sleek middle part look with clip-in extensions from Amazing Beauty Hair. Now, I've worked with this brand before. I did a collab with them with some curly clip-ins, and I'll have that video linked in the cards and down below so you guys can check that out. So I decided to just go on my own and purchase some straight clip-ins from them. So these are the Yaki straight clip-ins in 18-inch, and today I'm just going to show you guys how I installed them, and then towards the end I'm going to tell you guys a little bit how I feel about the hair. So let's just get right on into it. Okay, you guys, so this is the final look. I think it turned out pretty good considering this color match is not the perfect match for my natural hair. My natural hair is like an ashy brown, kind of like a number 2, but a little bit darker. So a lot of the times extensions don't fully blend with my hair because I have not dyed it yet. And I'm thinking about dyeing my hair 1B. My stylist told me I should. So let me know in the comments down below what you guys think. I am 100% natural. I don't have any relaxer, no texturizer, anything like that. I just blow dried my hair, flat ironed it, and it blends this well with the clip-ins. You can't even see any of my hair in between, even like under, maybe underneath you guys can see. No, you can't see my hair really at all. I don't know if the lighting is gonna clock me when I go back and edit this, but yeah, it looks really good. I will have the price for these clip-ins on the screen. I believe it was $80 for 1 pack. I got 2, so around $160. I did pick these up on Amazon, but you can go and purchase these directly from the Amazing Beauty Hair website if you so choose, but I prefer to get free shipping. Okay, so these came to my house in 2 days. Let me just show y'all what else comes in here. This is the package that it came in. It comes with a hair clip, which is really nice, 2 replacement clip-ins if they happen to break, and a comb, which is really nice, and just a little card with their business stuff on it and some information about their return policy and all that stuff. So yeah, nice little pack that it comes with. So if you get 2 of these, you'll get 2 combs, 2 clips, and 4 extra clip-in pieces, which is nice. I'm definitely gonna be rocking these clip-ins before it gets too hot and I can't wear my hair straight anymore. And I just really love how this turned out. Let me know in the comments down below if you want to see some more videos with these clip-in extensions. I can kind of try some different hairstyles, maybe some half up, half down situations, a ponytail maybe. Just let me know if you guys are interested in that. So yeah, that's really it for today's video. Just a nice, quick, simple hair tutorial. I haven't done one of these in a while, so I wanted to bring it back. If you guys enjoyed it, give this video a big thumbs up and leave me a comment down below and let me know. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you have not already, and turn on those post notifications so that you never miss my next upload. And I will see all of you beautiful people in my next one. Bye.